Welcome back. It is time for the highly anticipated Oh Wow moment, brought to you by the Gloria and Roger Jones Children's Center for Science and Technology. And due to my error in ways last week, we didn't have an Oh Wow moment. And folks called. I mean, people called me, Mr. Ralph, and said, what happened to the Oh Wow moment? I'm like, I updated my iOS thing on my phone and lost my contacts and defaulted. It was a mess. But I've got you now, and that's all that matters.
I think they just wanted to talk to you.
Oh, you're too much. You're too much, Mr. Ralph. I love you, Doug. I just love you.
I love you.
I feel heat.
Yeah, so we got this little burner on here. It's kind of dangerous, so I'm over in the dangerous part. I left the easy stuff to you.
Yes, thank you.
You're gonna wow the audience. We're gonna talk a little bit about pressure today.
Okay.
And pressure in the ways of water pressure. So we're gonna show an equalization. Okay, how we can equal the pressure between water and air.
I'm gonna do that here.
Yeah, you're gonna do that here. But first,
Okay.
I want to show everyone what happens with warm air. We always know that warm air expands, right? And I'm showing the expansion of warm air because I placed this balloon in this beaker, right?
Yeah.
And it was lying flat, and then it just kind of popped up.
Yeah,
right?
I just saw that.
So
I was
this,
like, okay, magic.
This burner's on, and what's happening is it's heating the air molecules inside there. So those molecules are expanding, and as we know, as the expansion, it's running out of space. So you see the bubble here happening on the balloon, right?
Yeah.
That's because there's warm air inside this beaker. Okay, so warm air is expanding. It's going up into the balloon. The balloon is expanding because it can, right? It's elastic. But we're going to move that back over to here on this coal, and then I'm going to turn this off, and I'll just make sure I'm not to put my hand down here and burn.
No,
okay?
no,
So
no.
this is showing how warm air expands. Okay,
Expands.
it's just a little visual there.
Expansion.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what you're going to show, okay, what I want you to do is add a couple of drops to this water here. Yep, a couple of blue drops right there. Just
maybe
a couple.
two.
Yep, just to show a visualization.
One,
2. Yep.
two.
Very good. And then
Okay.
we're going to stir it around there. Okay, and then Miss Madonna, what I want you to do, I want you to pour that water into this plate right here.
Not drink it?
No,
okay.
don't drink it.
Okay, pour it. All of it?
Yep, it's about 2 ounces. Okay.
right.
And if you notice, this plate's plastic,
Glass.
right? Pour it all in there. We're going to do it
pour
all.
it all?
Yeah, we're going to do it all. All right, and then there's an empty glass right here. But first, we're going to set this candle right in between the water and the plate. Okay? And then I'm going to ask you to light that candle.
Okay.
We're playing with fire today, folks. Now, remember, you want
Fire.
to have adult supervision around. I don't know who the adult is here, right?
It's you.
All right, so
Okay.
you've got the candle lit. Let's make sure that burns. Okay, so
Okay.
everybody can see the candle. Now, we want to put that candle out, and what's going to happen is something magical. So we're going to make that blue water go off of the plate and up inside this glass.
No,
because we're
Mr.
gonna-
Ralph, no, you're not.
We're going to create a small vacuum. Okay, so what I want you to do, watch. I want you to take this glass, now it's empty, right?
Yeah.
I want you to take that glass and I want you to cover the candle. Okay, just go ahead and place the glass over top. Just be gentle and try not put the flame out. Yep, go ahead. Down over top, set it down. Yep, there we go. Now watch what happens. Now look at where the water's going.
Mr. Ralph, this looks like magic.
Yeah.
Wait, what the
So
heck?
watch, the candle's going out.
It is.
The water's going up inside the glass, right? Oh,
Mr.
look at that.
Ralph, Mr. Ralph.
What happened there was candles need oxygen. We depleted the oxygen in there, right? And because we depleted the oxygen, it was warming the glass. That flame was warming the glass. And as the flame went out, it cooled quickly.
Yes.
Now, that created a low pressure, very tiny vacuum, small, weak vacuum that allowed the water to go up
seep
inside.
up inside.
Now, the funny thing is, the high pressure air outside was pushing on that water, so it was pushing up in that glass. And if you notice, there were some bubbles in there. Now, if I tip this glass a little bit, I don't know if the camera can see this, but you're going to see some bubbles. Right?
Yes,
you see
I
those
do. I
bubbles,
see
right?
them. Yeah. Oh,
now,
yeah.
I can't pick this glass up. We created a vacuum, so I want to show people that we actually created a vacuum. So you're going to do the same thing. Pour a couple
of drops in there.
Yep. Pour that water into this plate right here. Okay. Let's see if we can get the visual. Right. We're going to light this candle, Miss Madonna. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Go ahead and light that
45
candle.
seconds.
Yep, that's fine. We're going to show the vacuum.
And remember, everybody, a positive attitude can make anything happen for anyone.
All right. Now watch.
And Mr. Ralph is going to show us the vacuum.
Yep, we're going to show vacuum because we're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to cover that, watch the flame go out, and then you're going to lift up that plate with that glass. Watch. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Easy, easy, easy. Hey, look at that.
You know, I'm magical. I couldn't lift it. That's crazy. Mr. Ralph, you do the most fun and exciting things.
You created a vacuum. We equalized the pressure there.
I'm an equalizer.
You're an
Everybody, you can be an equalizer too if you try this Oh Wow moment at your house. See you next week.